Hi, so this is my encounters with the tech world. Today I'm going to start with talking about how I make my project go live on a domain name. It's an Angular 2 project. I have already logged into my Amazon EC2 account. It has Ubuntu 16.04 operating system on it. I've already cloned my project from GitHub, which I use, and it's already up and running with all npm packages and everything installed. So if currently I've already linked my domain name to this particular IP address that I'm here logged onto, it has been around 450, approximately 50 years since I did that, and that's pretty much the time that it takes on GoDaddy, with whom I've bought the domain name. But currently, it kind of looks like this. If I go to the domain name, it says GoDaddy and whatever their page is designed for it, because it cannot find any process running there. So I'm going to use Nginx for that particular purpose. So I'm going to start with installing Nginx first. So sorry, wrong screen. Yeah, I'm going to just update first. And sorry. Yeah, so my Nginx is installed, and I am, if at this particular point of time, if I start my Nginx process on my homepage, instead of GoDaddy, I'll be saying welcome to Nginx and everything. So that doesn't really work for me. So we will need to edit the default file, which is an etc folder, and we need to give in the details of the project and everything. So my project, as we all know, Angular 2, we'll have to run ng build -- prod command in order to generate the disk folder for production. And since my project is right there on my user, like home, Ubuntu, my project, and my disk folder, which was generated after running the command, then I will need to. So that's, since I'm just running this particular thing on my local host pertaining to the server, in reference to the server, I'm just going to give it localhost, and for my location here, I already have chunk installed. I wouldn't be needing this currently as per se, and I already have my chunks, the proxy commands written. So I'm just not commands, my lines written. So in here, what I did was, since pertaining to the server to be localhost and the project will be running on port 4200, so provided that is the proxy path, it's an HTTP, and I've set the basic headers and everything. So it's just the basic most config here. And once I'm done, I'm just going to get out of the file, save and exit, and I just need to start my Nginx because I have not done it before. If your process is already running, you just need to restart it. Once it is done, I can just go to my domain name and see my actual website up and running. So that's pretty much what I learned about using Nginx to put my Angular 2 project onto my domain. So thank you for watching.